Hi guys, in today's video we are going to do our automatic super wash. So this is an ultra clean regular automatic super wash and we are doing this today. Me and Ahel and Isa were so excited. So there were two options, a jet wash and a super wash, and of course we chose a super wash because it seemed more cooler, because we did not want to do it by ourselves, okay, because we're a bit lazy, and it's a bit more fun by the super wash. Why? I'll tell you. So in a super wash, first of all, we have never ever experienced, okay, we've never experienced a super wash. Well, me, Ahel and Isa haven't, because we're kids. So it was an amazing experience, and I will tell you guys the review that I have for this super wash. And if you guys think that this is good or bad, just wait and just watch the whole entire video, because I'm telling you, whatever you're thinking right now is gonna be the whole opposite, okay? I'm not gonna say too much because I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I'm just telling you guys, like giving you guys a heads up. So we did the one that was in New Zealand, in Auckland, okay, the automatic car wash. Two people were going, okay, it took such a long time. We waited so long. It took up about these two people about like 30 minutes, I think, for one person or for both of them, for two cars, until they were done. Guys, do comment down below if you guys have ever done a car wash before. Now here were the instructions. It said a few instructions, like read all of the instructions carefully, that's the first one, and then prepare, because there will be some green lights as well, red lights, stuff like that. And guys, this was creeping me out. Why was this wiggling? Even the garage door that they made was wiggling, and I got very scared. This looks very creepy. Now guys, we're going in. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this was like so, oh my goodness, how is this gonna feel? Even though we're inside the car, this was like, I want to see how everything goes, okay, and everything else. So I will, and then we put the code in as well. The other car went, and as you guys could see, if you guys look down, there's actually some green lights, red lights, okay, down, okay, they only blink when we're ready to go and when the code is done. I did not show the code process, but there's even a code process that you have to do to go inside, so you can verify and stuff like that. So just to clarify, guys, we are going in, okay, nothing to clarify, I'm just joking. And as you guys could see, there's some arrows as well, so the arrows are telling us to go. And by the way, I got freaked out because our car was moving, and I'll tell you guys why. Our car was moving, oh my goodness, and I could see all the washers. Why? Because there's this sort of you know how when there's like some stairs that have no stairs on them and they move left to right? It's a bit like that, but a bit more different. It was moving the car, and that thing was moving as well. I thought maybe it was just maybe like my eyes, like, or maybe it was just an illusion, but it turned out that the car was going straight back, straight back, straight back. Guys, I got very terrified. This was very terrifying for me, because a little bit terrifying in the start, okay, because I was like, what is happening? And guys, this is something which is going to be so cool, because there's so many things happening in one small, okay, there were like some flashing lights as well. See those colorful lights? And now it was starting. Guys, you've got to watch this. Like, this was so satisfying. In 2 seconds, our thing got covered up with soap, so a few colors, and everywhere, like literally everywhere, covered with soap, water, and everything in like 2 seconds. Only seconds. The automatic thing was working amazing. Ahel was like amazing. Ahel was so excited.
My window.
Ahel was smiling, he was thinking, and everything was just covered. Oh my god, guys, this was some satisfactory, okay, by watching everything is going, everything is working. This is just amazing. Oh my goodness, I am loving this experience already. And guys, I wanted to tell you that now this is about to get very intense. Because the car, as I told you guys again, it's like, And this is moving while this is happening. And as you guys could see, this is so funny. Everything just went in 2 seconds. As you guys could see, everything just went. Okay, it just went with it. It was as if something got consumed. Okay, everything, like all the soap and every single thing just got consumed with it. And guys, the colors were back again. The colors were like dancing. It's a bit funny when we say it that way. And everything was going so fast because this
Are you
is
guys excited?
an automatic one. It was going very, very fast. Okay, and I was like, what is going on here? And then the car was moving. Okay, I don't know if you guys can notice or any of you guys noticed. But let's see if you guys can see the car moving. Which was very scary and very fun at the same time because we were going back and forth. And guys, it seemed like we were actually outside. Like seriously, imagine accidentally putting the window down and then you get you get like your head goes with the thing and then it just splashes in water. That would be so cool. But and again, very dangerous. But like yeah, I'm very excited.
I repeat, we're moving.
This was so fun. Oh my god, Ahal and Isa were amazing.
देख लिया एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया
Guys, we did the one that was for $17. There were different options like $13, $17, $21, and $32, and I think that was it, or maybe there was more. So we did the one that was $17. Okay, guys. So, and to say the truth, I will be telling you guys in the end how the experience was. Okay, and really, well, we expected more. That's it. Okay, I'm all gonna say. That's the one line I'm gonna tell you guys. Okay, but literally, then here is the part that I was like, OMG! Can you guys see that the water? There was like this sort of in a few minutes, this sort of thing is coming up. It's popping up. Okay, this dryer. Okay, it's a dryer. Okay, and it's coming. Okay, and as you guys can see, the car is moving again. Okay, again. Now, guys, watch this. Look closely. The dryer is slowly coming. It's a very, 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 very heavy dryer. So heavy. Like, it's so heavy. It's such a heavy dryer. Okay, it can dry in like 2 seconds. And that dryer is gonna go like, oh my god, how is this like drying this in like 2 seconds? Guys, it's about to come. Okay, after some more splits and spatters, this dryer is going to blow. Well, it blew my mind, and hopefully it's gonna blow your mind as well. Okay, because this was a bit scary and so fun. Like, I don't know how the water drops went out everywhere. So it was just going in its position, and guys, look at this clip carefully. The water drops were literally like they were like it was as if the water drops are like going up to it, like they're like going up. Okay, this was very, very funny, and oh my god, I was very scared. How nice I were like, they were actually so amazed. They were having their time of their life, and meanwhile, me, I was scared, I was terrified, and I was having some issues. Okay, but then after like 2 seconds watching Ahal and Isa having some fun, I was like, you know what? Yeah, I'm actually having some fun as well because it was so funny. Like, how did the water droplets go in like 2 seconds? Okay, and then Ahal and Isa were like amazed. Okay, and guys, by the way, guys, look at this. This was a bit of a sign. It said, please remain in vehicles at all times. And then there were other phone numbers and stuff. BB eye contact. Sorry, BB. The thing. Sorry, my bad. I meant BP. So there was a BP contact if there's any emergency. Well, for us, we were having the time of our lives. This was very funny. Oh my goodness. As a child, so-called child, but I'm not really a child anymore. This was an awesome experience, guys, and literally this was a bit scary, okay, because I get scared very easily because I'm scared of little bugs, okay, even ants, so just don't mind me, okay, and I'm a bit cautious sometimes, so yes, this was a little bit scary. And the guy's car was moving, okay, the car was moving a little bit slowly back and forth. I don't know if you guys could see the difference, but back in the video, see guys, the car is moving. The car is moving. It almost went to the end, okay? But just JK, guys, I'm just joking. We have finished. Okay, we're done. This adventure has finished. Okay, such a fun adventure. Now I'm telling you guys the results. And guys, just come on, bear with me. Okay, the results are not so satisfactory. Okay, and literally, guys, I did not speed up this video. The cars are going this fast. Okay, oh my goodness, that was very sad to see. Okay, I am going to be very nice and show you guys some landscapes before I tell you guys the end thing. So now we're going home. Okay, we're going home. We're all done. We've done everything. Okay, we've had so much fun, and now we're heading back home. Now, guys, you guys are about to see something, and you guys gonna see like where we might live, maybe. But guys, listen to me carefully. The results were not impressive. I'll just tell you guys right now. The results were maybe I'll save it. So the results that we actually got, we stopped the car, okay, when I showed you guys the picture, we actually stopped the car, we looked at it, we saw, okay, we saw if it was cleaned or not, okay. Now guess what, it was cleaned, okay, it was cleaned, of course, it was clean. Like, what do you think, it was all an adventure? Yeah, it did seem like that, guys. I'm not lying, this was not it was an awesome experience, but guys, what did it clean? Almost like everything was still the same. Just the main things were like not satisfactory, guys. Look, even the main thing was only out of everything, only the main thing was clean. As you guys could see, I just stopped the car, and we all just stopped the car. And as you guys could see, all the tires are the same, okay? And if you guys could, even the main parts are still the same, okay? So basically, I have learned that instead of going for my super automatic car wash, you need to do it yourself, because this was 2 out of 10. It sucked, and this was bad. Okay, which is fine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.